afternoon, everyone. You are back in my kitchen. This is Stephanie, and I want to thank you all again. Thank you so much. I'm at 900, just a little bit over. So maybe by the end of the year, I might get 1,000. So please keep on subscribing. Please keep on liking. Please keep on commenting. Please let me know what you want, and I'll try my best to do it. If I can, I will. And you know that it's a fact. 'Cause if I can do it, I'm gonna show you. I have no problem with it. Um, Now today it's getting close to Christmas, and I'm hoping to get this out before Christmas because I'm going to do some hot chocolate with peppermint. So I'm just making from scratch hot chocolate with peppermint. And I went to the dollar store. I got this for $1. It's peppermint bark. And actually, I saw it in Costco, but it had the chocolate with it. And that stuff was $9.99 for one little thing. This is just $1. So I bought it first, and I tried it, and it's really good. And it looks like this. It looks like this when you open the package, and this is like two little corners of it. I think it comes like 8 of this size in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this piece of candy in my hot chocolate. I'm gonna put it in my bowl right now. I'm gonna turn it on, and it's a little bit of heat over here. Down, turn it down low. So, and I'm going to use some light cream, and I'm going to use some milk. I didn't get my milk out. Got my half and half out. Not my milk. Listen, you could use half and half all the way through. You can use light cream all the way through. You can use regular milk all the way through, and you can use, you know, you can use any kind of milk you want. But for me, for today, I'm going to use whole milk and some light cream. And I have another cup here, and I'm going to fill it up mostly with whole milk. If you use low fat, 2%, whatever, then it's just like less calories. But milk, funny thing, got a lot of protein. So frankly, if you wanted to just drink this for breakfast, you'd be full. You'd be full. You'd be okay for a little while if you had this. So right now, though, I'm going to use my light cream and my whole milk, and I'm pouring it in my saucepan. So to that, I'm also going to use some some Hershey's cocoa, and this is a special dark brand. It's a dark chocolate, and personally, I like this stuff. I like it really darker. You don't have to put so much in. You don't have to do any of that stuff if you don't want to. You make it as light as you want, dark as you want, because you're making this from scratch, just like you like it. So, and then plus, by the way, saves you a lot of money than going to the Star, whatever it's called, Starbucks, whatever it is. You know, and it's just a lot cheaper to make it yourself. So I got me a big old heaping tablespoon from the drawer of this chocolate. And actually, I'm gonna put 2 of them in because I want it dark. So there you go. And then you judge what you want, see how you like it. Since it has candy in it already, it doesn't need too much sugar. So I just put a little sugar in here. If I had a teaspoon, it would be about a teaspoon of chocolate. I'm gonna use my little scoop, and that's it. Now I need to stir this in. So now we just doing a little work with the stirring. You want to make sure you get this chocolate melted, this white chocolate, but you use dark chocolate. You can use, as I say, whatever you like. However way you like to do this, you can do this. And also, just as I'm thinking about it, I need my vanilla, little drop of vanilla. I mean, seriously, I say a little drop, and I don't do a little drop, and I just mean just a little bit. That's it, just a drop of vanilla. And I also have some peppermint extract. So, just a little bit of that. I mean, just a little. There you go. Dropped out. That's all. This thing doesn't work right, but Just 2 drops. I mean drops. And that's all you want. Peppermint is really good for you. Good for your stomach. Truthfully, it really is good for you. So, milk is protein. It's good for you. And you can get us to Santa Claus because, he been on his sleigh all night, you know, delivering packages to these kids that sometimes have not been so nice. They've been more naughty. But he's still going to like them anyway and give them something. So you little kids, y'all need to make this for Santa Claus. Or have your mom help you make it for Santa Claus. Or your dad help you make it for Santa Claus. So you want to stir this in until it gets done. Until it gets like a little, actually until it gets frothy and the candy is melted. Which is the whole point of the whole thing. You want the candy to get melted and you want the milk to get warm. Or warm, hot, but not a roaring boil, but just bring it, just mix it up. So here we go, here we go, here we go. It doesn't really take this doesn't take any longer than 5 minutes, really, the whole thing. Of course, you can double this, triple this whole pot could be full, um, so everybody can have some. And I'm telling you, they're gonna want more. This is good. This is good. And I do like hot chocolate. I generally don't drink it, but I do like it a lot. When I drink it, I forgot how much I do like it. It's a treat for me. And it'll be a treat for you and Santa Claus. Or this winter or this fall. You just like it. Warms your soul. So it's almost about to boil the way I want it. Now what I'm going to do also at this point is I'm going to take a little taste and make sure it's sweet enough for me. It should really be. Because I'm going to add more sugar somewhere along the line. And definitely sweet enough for me. Definitely. If you want it sweeter, you can add. But if you're going to do what I do, you probably don't want to add any more sugar because you're going to put sugar in there for my little secret surprise. Okay. All right. I believe it is hot enough. Seems to be warm enough. And that's what I'm really trying to do. Seems to be basically warm enough. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I got me a little glass here. And I also found these things. They're called sweet strips, which is STRIPE, which is excuse me, is sweet stripes, and these are soft peppermint candy, and which will melt when you put the chocolate right in there. So I think it's a cool idea to add it to your chocolate, and I'm going to ladle it out, put it in this little glass right now, because this is nice and boiling hot, nice and hot. Yeah, if you see that, look at that. Nice dark chocolate. So I'm going to add this into my cup. Mm, let's see. You can get 2 of these from this. You want it's very nice. It's like decadent. You shouldn't eat this all the time. Really. Now we're going to put some whipped cream on here. And that's warm. And I'm taking one of these little peppermint sticks. I'm sticking it right here. It's going to melt. It's going to go straight down. Boy, when I tell you, this is good. This stuff is good. Ugh. Brings me back to my childhood somehow. Anyway, I'm going to take a little sip from this side. I got the whipped cream, but this is good. Really, really good. I'm going to enjoy this one. Everybody, you have a wonderful afternoon, and you have a wonderful Christmas. Have a wonderful New Year. Have a wonderful winter, and enjoy some hot chocolate all throughout this time. And I say again, thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. You have a great day. All right, bye-bye.